Hey y'all, okay, so we have a properties of log graphic organizer that I have for you guys. Again, you can either print this out if you have a printer at home and complete this, or kind of just take some notes as needed. But this has all of your properties on one page in one spot, so I wanted us to kind of go over this. So you have a blank copy posted for you as an attachment. And then I'm going to go over this. So this is our properties of logarithms. Just a basic logarithm. You've got log b to b, which is going to just be 1. Anytime you have a number to itself, for example here, log 14, 14 is just 1 because the base is 14. What's going to give you itself is the power of 1, because remember your logarithm equals an exponent. So 14 to the power of 1 gives you 14. Now for this one, any base, doesn't matter what it is, if 1 is here, that's the result of the exponent being 0. Anytime a base is raised to the 0 power, it is 1. So for this example here, log 3, 1 equals 0. So anytime your answer, log base answer, is 1, your exponent is going to be 0. Okay, now we have our product rule. Remember that the product rule goes with addition, so you would separate this log b m plus log b n. So that separates that there. So if we're looking at this and we have to condense it, you will take the 6 and the 7 and we'll multiply those together, and that gives you 42. Log base 5, 42. If your task is to expand it, then what you're looking for is some factors of 67. Try not to pick something other than 1. So I'm going to do, 7 times 9. Okay. So that would be some factors that would multiply together to give you 63. So then you would separate that log 2, 7 plus log 2, 9. Okay, that's your product property. Then we have our quotient rule. Okay, that deals with division. Remember that division goes with subtraction. So you've got minus, just like so. Okay, if you're condensing it, what you're going to do is you're going to divide. So you've got log 4 stays the same, and then we have 84 divided by 12. 84 divided by 12 is 7. Okay, so you've got log 4, 7. This would be my condensed logarithm. Okay. If you're going to expand it, you're going to think about a number that you can use and divide to get this answer. So we're dealing with something that we would divide and get 9 as a result. If we multiply 9 times 9, that gives us 81. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do 9. I'm going to have log. The base is 10, common log, so I don't need to put a base there. I just have 81 divided by 9. Because 81 divided by 9 is 9. So then I can take that and separate it. Log 81 minus log 9. That would be the expansion of that. The next one is your power rule. The power rule tells you to take the exponent and to put it in front. So we have n times log, the base b, m. If they want you to condense it, you take that, whatever's in front, you apply it to the 8. That is an exponent, 8 to the second power. Log base 3, 8 to the second power. 8 to the second power is 64, right? Yes. See, I need y'all here to say yes. Okay, and then expand this. X minus 1, the entire thing is the exponent, so that entire thing is going to go in front. So you've got x minus 1 times log base 2, 6, like so. Okay, Then the last one is the change the base. Remember that the change the base is like if you're trying to solve a logarithm with a base that's not a common base, like anything other than 10, you can convert that to having the common log by taking log, common log A, and dividing it by log B, like so. So you split it up, log A over log B. For this one, again, if you've got just your cell phone, there's no way for you to put this in your cell phone. No calculator can do that unless you have a scientific calculator like one of the ones we have in our class. So what we would need to do is we would need to convert that to common log. So you would do log 32 divided by log 7. Now that you can do in your calculator on your cell phone. Let me grab mine. So you are going to get your calculator and you have to turn it this way. Did I have my thing on, y'all? How do you do that? No. Y'all. Why won't it turn? Oh, my phone's locked. That's weird. Okay, sorry, y'all. Okay. So you put your 32 in there first, then you're going to press the log 10. That's the only button your calculator has, so that would be 1.505. Leave yourself some space, leave yourself some decimals. Put 7 in there, press log, that would be 0.845. Then you just divide that, just like normal, so 1.505 divided by 0.845. That equals 1.781. Okay? Alright, and then the last thing at the bottom says, remember, base 10 logs are common logs and written without a base. So if it doesn't have a base number there, it's your common log. Okay, this is just a little review. Graphic Organizer kind of has all of it. This I'm going to tell you is an optional view, so if you chose to watch this and get some extra help, that's great. I'm very proud of y'all for working so hard. Let me know if you have any questions.